Much like many people, I didn't even know the job existed. I was going, wow, this is pretty interesting. We recognize things go wrong. So when you open up that package and the contents in there are still intact, the packaging's done what it's supposed to do. If that shipping label or the address information happen to get lost, we don't know who it came from, where it's going to. It is pretty cool that nothing but paper, folded the right way and designed the right way, how much strength you actually can get out of this box.